Enough is enough. Yes, enough is enough. Please, I want you to share this video to my Delta and Cross Rivers brothers. I want you to share this video to all the people that answer Chukwuemeka Ebuka in Nigeria who say they are not Igbo. They need to watch this video that I'm about to do now. Yes, enough is enough. This our brother don't finally educate our brothers where they call say Igbo should mind their 5 states. Oh, Igbo should mind their 5 states. And only 5 states they get. You need to watch this video. If you are one of the people where they say when they call Igbo, see Igbo should mind their 5 states, you need to watch this video. Yes, enough is enough. This is 2024. Enough is enough. My wonderful people, let's go and find out how this thing they happen. Welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time when they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. See they here, they bring updates back to back as see they hot. This video is special for our Delta brothers that are saying, our Leoma brothers, our Ika brothers that are saying they are not Igbos. Why you bear the same name that I bear, you eat the same food that I eat, you have the same culture that I have, and still yet they are telling you you are not Igbo. They are casting you to where you don't belong, separating you from your brother because of the created 5 states and call them Igbo state. I want you to watch this video and make sure say you share the video that I'm about to play right now. Watch this video that I'm going to show you because we all are here to learn right now. Watch. If you have any agreement of waiting this our brother talk, we will talk about it in comment section, but let's watch the video together.
Whenever the Igbos in Nigeria want to talk about Biafra, whenever they want to talk about unifying all the Igbo speaking people all over the world, people tend to tell them, mind your 5 states, mind your 5 states. And that makes me laugh hysterically. That begs the question and left me wondering, what do you people even think a state is? Listen, a state is a political creation, a political territorial integrity that tends to separate families from families, that tends to separate brothers from brothers. That was why Chimamanda Ngozi Adichie in Half of a Yellow Sun said, I am a Nigerian because the white man created Nigeria and gave me that identity. I am black because the white man constructed black to be as different as possible from his white. But I am Igbo before the white man came. So how can you allow what is a political creation to determine your origin? And in case you don't know, it was on the 27th of May 1967 that Yakubu Gowon created 12 states out of the old eastern region. Why did he do that? When you read There Was a Country by Chinua Achebe, you will find out that Gowon did that simply because he wanted to landlock the Igbos. He wanted to weaken the strength of the old eastern region because he knew that the black gold, which is the crude oil, is one of the prime motivation of the Biafran secession from Nigeria, and so he wanted to crumble the Biafran strength. And because he noticed that the people that reside at the Delta area dread the core Igbo domination, and so he wanted to give them a sense of ownership that these people are not your people, you are on your own. And they succeeded, because today brothers are denying brothers simply because they are not in the 5 so-called states they say where Igbos only belong. And I laugh because you are a victim of gumbo diplomacy. You are a victim of Machiavellian manipulation. You are a victim of gumbo diplomacy, and such perception is Shibolite and antediluvian. I hope you get enlightened. And when you want to talk, people want to talk about South-South. What is South-South? South-South is a political creation, something that was created out of Machiavellian manipulation, a region that was created because of negative ethnicity. South-South was created in 1990. How will you allow what was created barely 28 years to determine your origin? What a pity. Listen, when Lord Lugard came to Nigeria, he met something. He met something, and that was why he tried to amalgamate what he met in 1914, the North and the Southern Protectorate. Use your head. Let me point history to you in case you want to learn. It was on the 7th of October 1949 that Germany divided into two. You had the East and the Western Germany. Why? The Western Germany was in alliance with the United States of America, with Britain and France, and they wanted to be a capitalist state. And the East Germany was in alliance with Soviet Union, and they became a communist state. And because of that, Germany was divided into two, the East and the West Germany, on the 7th of October 1949. But because they are Europeans and they knew their core origin, they worked constructively towards unifying Germany, and they achieved it. On the 3rd of October 1990, the wall that devastated Germany was brought down, and Germany was unified at last. But I tell you for a fact, if Germany was to be in Africa till date, you will still be having the East and the Western Germany, because I don't know why we have allowed the lies they told us to sink into us, hook, line, and sinker. Who did this to you? Who did this to you? Tomorrow, someone from Congo Brazzaville will say it's not related to someone from Democratic Republic of Congo or Sudan and South Sudan. How can you want to landlock a nation with just 5 states? That is unacceptable. If you can have Yoruba speaking people in Togo and Igbo speaking people in Cuba, how come you cannot have Igbo people in Rivers and Igbo people in Delta? You want to tell me the Igbos in Cuba are not Igbos? So if you accept such lie, how do you want to live with it? Stop lying to yourself. I thought you would have learned by now, because on the 7th of October 1967, when the federal troops entered Asaba, the people of Asaba welcomed them and said, we are not Igbos, we are one Nigeria. What happened? How did the federal government respond? They buy over 800 to 700 people. Yet you have not learned. You cannot be welcomed where you are not welcomed. I am not a promoter of negative ethnicity. I do not indulge myself in tribalism, but I have a conscious effort to make sure that people unify with their origin, irrespective of where you are in Africa. And for those of you in West Africa, God bless you. And those in all parts of Africa, God bless you. But the better and the earlier you start on learning what they forced you to learn, the better for you. In 1967, your state was created. On the 27th of May 1967 by Yakubu Gowon, 12 states. All of a sudden, you said the people that were previously in your state are no longer your brothers, because of a political creation, because of a political engineering. State is not a divine creation. State is man-made. Use your head. Liberate yourself. Liberate yourself before it's too late, Africa. For wisdom, Africa, wisdom is a principal thing.
Yes, my people, welcome back. As you have watched that video, I want you to tell me what you think for this thing where our brother talk for this video. If you believe say this our brother talk truth, please write in a comment section, say correct, is on point. But if you believe say wetin they talk no be say it happens, still tell us for inside comment section. For those of una wey be data, wey from the side of where they call Ika and Okwale, our brothers in Ikwere, all over, who are saying you are not Igbos. Then what of our brothers in Caribbean that trace their origin back to Enugu? Is on our video that we posted yesterday. It traced their origin back to Enugu. You that close here with their own brother, because of the wash where they don't wash your head finish. Why you have the same name, eat the same food, do the same culture, do everything with me, and you say you are not my brother. Igbos are not forcing anybody to be their brother, but it's a shameful thing that you deny your brother because of, they say Oyin is that place that you are living. So deny them so that they will not take control, or they won't control you. Remember that this Oyin we are talking about is going. From now to 50 years time, is even coming more faster. Oyin will be nowhere to be found. So It's better for you unify with your brother and make a greater nation. Please share this video for more updates and let us know what you think and your own contribution in the comment section. Thank you so much.